Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram dripping photo editing using Picsart. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Picsart application on my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to go to the background option right here. I'm going to click on see all, and I'm just going to select the white background. Okay, and then I'm going to add sticker to this background. We can go to the sticker option, and I'm just going to search for the wings. Okay, just like that, and you can choose the wings that you like. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, and I'm going to add my photo to this design. I'm going to click on add photo, and I'm going to add this photo. Okay, just like this, and we can adjust the position until it looks natural. I'm going to make the wings bigger. Okay, and I'm going to add the dripping effect to this design. We're going to go to the sticker option again, and then search for the dripping sticker. You just need to type in dripping like this, and you can choose the dripping effect that you like. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and I'm just going to place it right here. Okay, then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And then this is the final result. I think I need to make it smaller like this. And then once you're done, you can just save the photo. You can click on the save icon. Click on the download icon, and the photo will be saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create Instagram dripping photo editing using Picsart. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.